Hello everyone and welcome back to day 32, I believe. Hopefully everyone enjoyed their weekend and I enjoyed my Monday, so I'm back for more. The thing I was doing today was finishing off the scene. I thought I was going to add a lot more, but it ended up being like literally like a few things, so I figured I might as well make a video saying that I'm done with the scene. So that means tomorrow I will finish the final part of the building as a whole. Me. I don't know what the hell I just grabbed. Yeah. There we go. I was trying to do this. Yeah, I'm going to finish the building as a whole tomorrow with the last final touches, excluding the frame things. While I'm working on the next project, I'm going to start working on the pictures for the frames before I do coding, and then I'll make a video updating y'all on that. But I'm going to make the second project starting on, I have to remember, Thursday, yeah. Since I didn't work on Monday, I'm kind of messed up with the week. But yeah, so we're at the home stretch of the building process of Tesla Towers. And the only things I added today was I fixed up the buildings over here. They may look very similar. Like it may look exactly the same as the last episode, but this time I added a secondary, a flat row. I thought this was pretty funny, that it looks so weird. I'm going to shrink them down a little bit and pull them up to make them the same height as the building, because if I stretched them out up, it makes that look, actually, you know what, never mind. They look fine from right here. Yeah, I wanted them to be flat because I wanted like a flat texture. I mean, from like right here, you can see, excuse me, you can see the shadows of it, and it looks like the buildings continue. I did brighten up the world a tiny bit, just the moon and stuff. And then I added some more decorative things out here, like I added some rocks, some really big rocks. I don't know why I had the urge to make rocks, but you know, I made some really nice rocks to make this look nice, especially this one right here. It's like kids will go out here into the forest and play on top of the giant rock and probably hurt themselves, but you know, that's just kids being kids. So they have a bunch of rocks out here that are on the mountain, as if like parts of the mountain have faded, broken off, and landed down here. But yeah, this very short, but I'm not done looking. Very short but finished scene is basically done. There is one last thing I wanted to add, but I'm going to add it later, which is going to be something on top of this mountain, because everything turns into a shadow the further away you get from it. But from that mountain right there, I could have something like sitting on top of it that would look pretty cool. Just imagine that. You would see like a shadow right there. I know you can't see my cursor, but you can see I'm circling this mountain right here, because it's right underneath the moon, and it would look really nice to have something like sitting on top of it, like a little Easter egg mark for me. I'll figure something out while I'm working on the final things. I see. I still have to get rid of that. None. Keep level 1. Door frame, don't need that. Top shelf, where'd that go? Oh, that's like far away from it. Oh yeah, because I stretched them out. Yeah, I always forget to take away these things that they don't need anymore. Street lamps. Okay, everything's good. Yeah, the only thing I'm going to keep when it comes to the empties icon is for level 1. I am going to convert level 1's name into Tesla Towers, just so we know that. Then again, I've already saved the level as Tesla Towers, if you see up here. Let me close that. A lot more organized. But I did find out earlier that it wasn't my computer that's freaking out. It's because I have so many objects right here. This amount of objects, it is lowering the frames. When they're not selected, it's not that bad. But if I take them away, the world's a lot nicer. So yeah, it is because I did do the one thing you're not supposed to do. There we go. I didn't mean to overcrowd the world, but I think because I'm doing these videos for both, you know, entertainment and probably inspiring someone to build something, or and to also work on my craft. I think I just wanted to, you know, see how far I could go, and technically I did good when it came to building a fully built building. I mean, with the exclusion of the last few details I plan on adding. Added a tiny rock right here. Ignore that. There we go. Yeah, added a tiny rock right here. Can't go wrong without a rock. With a rock. But yeah. Other than that, the building is all that's left, because the scene doesn't need any more, because you only have a certain amount of distance of view. Everything else is just shadowed. I might add another flat building, or no, I'm going to drag this building a little bit more over, so that way you can see it better, because you're going to be right here, and you can see that building right there between these two, that building right there and there. You can see that shadow of the building right there. If I drag it over a little bit, actually no, even better, I'll put one in front of it. That way it looks like there's more buildings right there, because I want this to be like these are, that way is to the main part of the city. But I can do that tomorrow, since I'm basically done with the scene out here, from what the player is able to see. I think it looks good. I don't know what you guys think. Let me know. Let me know what you guys have thought of this journey so far. Me trying to improve my skills, and how far this once tiny build has become. Because I do plan on turning this into something. I'm not going to record any of the coding videos, the coding processes. I'll record whenever I say when I create the player, you know, coding and stuff. I'll record showing off how it works, and then same thing with let's say I wanted to add flashing lights for these things. I'll show them off, stuff like that. I'm not going to show me making them, but I'll show off how they were made. But I won't do one thing at a time. I'll do a few things at a time. So everyone look forward to that, because after this next video tomorrow, the final part of this building process begins, because it's time to start a new project, because I think Tesla Towers building wise is basically done. So thank you everyone so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Tomorrow will be the last video for this build, like I said, so look forward to the next build. Gotta remember, Thursday. I don't know what it's gonna be. I don't know what I'm going to do. It's all about that first object I add in the scene, and then I go from there. So until tomorrow, guys, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll talk to y'all later.